Welcome in. Welcome back to the Crypto Bully Bear channel, where there's only fun decoding and no financial advice. And welcome back to part 2 to 589 decode and the Superbowl. So, I had said that May 23rd, 2024 is my prediction of a Big Bang date. Again, I'm not sure if it's going to be about price, if it's going to be a crash, if it's going to be, we're going to jump up a nice number, or if it's going to be something that happens in the outside world where we change the way we do things again. But I feel like something major happens on that day. Now, this is the latest riddle here from Bearable Guy 123. As you can see, there's a sunflower. He's watering it. Okay, I see green books on the floor. What else do I notice? It's all about the flower, right? They said it's all about the flower. I'll show you why. But again, everyone thinks that the eclipse that's coming in April might be something. And again, there might be something, because 4/8, if you flip that date to A4, that's another major event that's supposed to happen, okay? But anyway, let's get back to May 23rd. Okay, in May 23rd, we had a full moon, and the full moon is called the flower moon. May, full moon, flower moon. It's all about flower power. Now, over here, as you can see, May's full flower moon will be accompanied by a penumbral lunar eclipse, if I said that. I don't know if I said that correctly, but whatever. All I know is that is going to be a lunar eclipse over here with the flower full moon on May 23rd. Now over here is some information. Why is it called the flower moon? The full moon in the month of May is known as the flower moon because of spring flowers that bloom during the month. What is the flower moon known for? Symbolizes the coming of spring. Remember X spring, Ripple had X spring. I believe X spring, because if you put X here, drop the S, it'll be XPR again. So X spring could be a possibility. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just showing you my receipts on May 23rd. Now, funny, if May 23rd is the day that we see a nice jump in price with crypto, then we may be more sensitive when handling our emotions and reactions toward other people or exchanges. Funny. Just a little more fun facts over here. Also, last year on May 5th, May 5th, 2023, we did have a lunar eclipse, so the full flower moon took place. Pretty interesting. And now this year, May 24th, it's on 5/23, and 2 + 3 is 5, which it could also be 5/5. And 5/5 also can be possibility of 5/11. 11/5, remember the 5th of November. Over here, why is May so special? May is known as a month of transition. Okay? May comes around, the spring flowers are blooming, birds are chirping. Will there be phoenix birds? I guess we're going to see very, very soon. Now, also, I'm going to point out that May 23rd is on a Thursday, okay? And it's the 21st week. It's the 21st Thursday of the year, okay? And it leaves 66 days of spring. What's the 6th day of the week? It's the 66th day of spring. There are 29 days left till summer. So that's the 66. We always see in the 99, the 66. Not too sure if that's correlated with that, but I mean, that kind of supports, my date over here. As well as there's a TT code, a Viada code, like the Viada Empire, OTTO, Auto, something else. One of the guys that was part of the 2001. Also, like I said, this is week 21. And in 2001, we had that event with the 2 buildings that came down with the other building 7. So when I think of that, I'm thinking of TT. Again, like Twin Towers, right? TT, the TT code. So since that happened on a Tuesday, I'm thinking that something's going to happen on a Thursday. That's the TT. If the 7 days out the week, those are the 2 days that has TT in it, that begin with it, I should say. All right. Now I'm going to show you a little bit more. I told you about the Phoenix, right? I had mentioned that the Phoenix was started burning on August 8th last year. August 8th, over there in that small island, right? The 50th state of America, on August 8th. All right? First time ever president got raided, right? On August 8th. And again, I showed you the mountain do, right? With the Phoenix, with the orange slice, with the atom. But check this out. Check this out. From that date of last year, August 8th, to my prediction of a Big Bang Day on Thursday, May 23rd. On August 8th to May 23rd of next year, or this year, I should say. 289 days. Flip that to 589. 589. Flip that to 589. I know this, I forgot what it's called, but you add 300 days to like a date. I forgot what it's called exactly. But if you did add 300 days to this, you get 589 exactly. So you flip that too. You get 589. I thought that was pretty mind-blowing to me, at least. Probably not to use, but to me, I was like, wow, there's that 589 again. And that's from August 8th, when I said the Phoenix was burning, to maybe when the Phoenix rises. And I'm going to show evidence, okay, on that date. Now, I'm going to go back, because some of you guys are probably scratching your heads about, like, why is the 9 23? Because, again, this year is leap year. Okay, 2024 is leap year. And that being said, May 23rd falls on the 144th day of the year. So, 1 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 4 is 9. Okay? That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking they were telling us 5 was May. The number 8 was 2024 when you add it up. And the number 9 is the 144th day. If you add up 1 plus 4 is 9. Okay, so let's go back to that riddle. Remember the riddle? Remember this bottle? Okay. There's your flower moon. There's your flower moon, leaving 222 days of the year left. There's your flower moon, leaving 222 days left of the year. Show some love, I told you so, wallet. But that right there looks like a flower to me, with the moon, full moon, leaving 222 days left of the year. And my friends, this is only part 2, okay? There's probably going to be another 3 parts to connect all this together. Okay? There's the bottle. He's in a tuxedo. He's got champagne. Is he celebrating? Is something rising up? See the smoke spiraling up? Are we rising up to the ashes? Okay? There's the starship. Now, again, I did a video, and funny enough, somebody, a CEO, had said that I did a video, and I had mentioned about this rocket representing May. And he had mentioned that was very fun to watch. So I just got to take that into consideration. Maybe he meant that, May might be something to look out for. Or maybe not. I don't know. I don't know if this has to do with crypto. Again, it could be some type of global event. Maybe Mystery X pops up. I don't know. We're going to see. We're going to find out. All right. So now let's talk about the moon. The distance from the moon to the earth, right? I said May 23rd. So you got the 23rd, 8, 2024, and 9. 144th day, 23rd, 144th day, May. You even got M here. M here. That could be May also. Could be, like I said, fun decoding, no financial advice. I'm hoping it's price. Because, you know, the story usually goes price before regulations. Okay? They got to up the price and separate the middle class from reaching freedom, from reaching general wealth. So they crank up the prices, then they talk about it, because then it's like, wow, look at these percentages. What's going on with these? Let's talk about it. Then people start FOMOing in. Hopefully that's what happens very soon. Okay? Tomorrow, in a few, it will be the 28th of February. I find that interesting because if you flip the 2 again, you get 5/8 as well. Yesterday was the 58th day of the year, and tomorrow will be, well, not really 5/8, but it'll be 28. But when you flip it, it's a 5/8. So we'll see what happens. Okay, I need to correct myself because I was talking about on May 23rd there was going to be a lunar eclipse. That is false. We had a lunar eclipse in 2023 on May 5th on that full moon. This one, 2024, this eclipse will happen on March 25th. So excuse me, let me correct myself. No lunar eclipse on May 23rd. This year will be on March 25th, the lunar eclipse. So, sorry about that. Just wanted to correct myself. I want you to see this here. So, all right, see the timestamp right there, 5/3, that's 8. When it goes to 9, 5/4, when it goes to 9, see these, let me show you, hold on a second. There's a lady with the peacocks, the peacock feathers, okay? The peacock feathers. Hold on. All right, so here there's ladies, they got the purple feathers over here. That represents the peacock, represents the phoenix, okay? And let me show you at what timestamp. Okay, 54 seconds here. 54 seconds, which is 9, okay? Which is 9. And if you can see here, you get that 13, that's the countdown. And then you got 3, 2, 1. Actually, that's the whole thing, I'm sorry. That's why they were talking about ushering the new system, the countdown. As you can see the number, you got 3, 2, 1, go. But anyway, see this person right here? There's a person that gets shot right above the phoenix feathers right there at 9. So I don't know if the phoenix rises on that day. I hope so. But I'm going to play it for you so you can see real quick. All right, there it is. And watch it. Boom. See, somebody gets shot right out of there. Phoenix rising. Let's go. Now again, let's go to the timestamp. 127. What buildings fell down in 2001? 1, 2, and 7. Okay? And as you can see, my man is covered in feathers like the phoenix. Okay? I'm not even shitting you. There he is right there. He's wearing the phoenix on his jacket. Silver. A big silver pin. And you know why I know that that's important? Because nobody in the fashion show is talking about it. You know, everybody talks about the outfit, the gems, the this, the that. Why isn't nobody talking about his phoenix pin? Nobody. Just so you can get a better look. Just so you can get a better look. Look how big that mother effing medallion is on his chest. You really think that the Super Bowl wasn't about The Phoenix. You really think the Super Bowl wasn't really about telling you that the Phoenix is coming in? Cryptocurrency, the metaverse, AI, future tech. Okay. There's Usher. All right. That symbol looks familiar. Looks like that flower. Looks like that flower symbol that we're talking about. Flower moon coming. Kind of looks like these right here. Kind of looks like these right here. Okay. Kind of looks like that right there. Can't you see the atom sign? Can't you see what's coming?
I found another response. According to NASA science, according to this almanac, as the full moon in May, the Algonquin tribes of what is now the northeastern United States called this the flower moon for the flowers that are abundant this time of year. Other names include the corn or corn planting moon. An Old English name for this moon is the milk moon.
Milk moon. Interesting. Interesting. Well, these are some of the days that we celebrate on May 23rd as well. Some of the days here, one of my favorite ones coming up, you got World Turtle Day. Like I said, this is the race, Hare and the Turtle. Turtle wins. Smile Month. National Taffy Day. But my favorite one, Lucky Penny Day. Lucky Penny Day. Remember this decode? Get rich off pennies. Shout out to Crypto Starship. Penny Day, May 23rd, 2024. Penny Day. Get rich off pennies. So as you can see, these is moon.nasa from the government, right? Government, this is, you can track like the moons and stuff like that on here. Here, full moon, special event, full moon, May 23rd, 2024. And look how these things are lined up. Like a triangle. Like bowling. Like a triangle. Like the oil sign. Like the ripple sign. Oil or ripple. May 23rd, 2024. Let's get it! Don't forget, we also had the Mayflower. They also used the Mayflower. Okay? Mayflower. Boat. That was the call of the boat. Mayflower. Remember this? 22, 2. 22, 2. 222 days left of the year. Will it be, Mr. Brad Garlinghouse, 220 days left of the year? May 23rd? Will it be 222 days left? Will it be on the flower moon? Will we see something with crypto prices? Will we be buying much cheaper? Or will we be celebrating and smiling because we bought in early? Thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. Let me know how you feel about May 23rd. Let's fucking go.